don't show my face. I'm gonna tell a joke. There's new material, entirely new stuff. Alright, alright, so just listen. Come here, little Billy boy. Just come on, sit down on Old Pappy's lap. I'm gonna tell you some stories. So anyway, a while ago, I don't remember when. For the longest time, I always thought that Long John Silver's was also a gift shop. So, first time I ever went to Long John Silver's, I saw this really nice fisherman painting. So, I asked how much the painting was. And they were so confused. They were like, what is it? The painting's not for sale. But I took the painting anyway. And then, after that, a while later, next week.
Happy, where'd you put the painting?
Where I put the painting?
Yeah.
Oh, the painting, somewhere here. Anyway, after a week after...
Is it your attic?
Well, maybe, I don't know. I haven't looked at this house for like 50 freaking years. Anyway, so after like a week or so, I went to this nice I don't even remember what it was. I think it was it was like a gas station or something. And I saw this really cool like skull painting. And the guy asked how much it was, and he said, I don't know what you're talking about. That was made by my son. He wouldn't sell anything for less than $1,000, but I took the painting anyway, and yeah, it's somewhere, I don't know. Then, eventually, I went to this, museum or something, but I actually thought it was a store. So, I saw this really nice, painting of a woman with, a football and everything, and I asked how much it was. They were so confused off their ass. So anyway, I took the painting anyway, and that's somewhere. But then I was in big old New York City.
What about the beet farm? Did you go to the beet farm?
Oh right, the beet farm. Oh yeah. I remember I told you that story.
You wanted some beets?
Yeah. So one time a girl went to the beet farm and
Why'd you go to the beet farm?
Because I needed some beets. Why would I need beets? I mean, I was in a poor neighborhood. We all eat beets there. Anyway, then I went the wrong direction, and then I saw the beet farm was actually this building. And it had some music notes on it. I went inside, and all they had was old records and cassettes and stuff. And I saw, and I took one of their paintings anyway. So. Yeah, that was I don't know, it was like Kurt Cobain or something. Apparently, they were never going to sell that thing, but it was worth millions of dollars or something. But I took it anyway and still have it. Okay, now let me get back to my original story. Alright, so now I'm in big old New York City.
New York City?
Yeah, New York City. New York City. Now shut up, brother Bill. Anyway, so,
I know I'm your grandson, Pappy.
Just shut up and listen to my story.
Okay, Daddy.
So, I'm in big old New York City, and I see this really rugged old building, this really nice Coca-Cola billboard. And I thought, so I asked the person on the building how much the billboard was. That person was as dead as an ox. They were literally a skeleton, because the building was so old. Although, anyway, I run up and I still took the billboard. I took it home, and then, I kept it. So now, my little grandson, now you know why Uncle Pappy's house is filled with so many gosh darn paintings. Because I really like to paint, and I like to steal paint. And paintings! Also one time I stole, a diamond or something, but that was in my teen years. I don't even remember that shit. Right.
Is that the whole story?
Yeah.
Alright.
I feel like it was funnier the first time.
Yeah, we should have just recorded it before.
Yeah.
Because Because I had to remind you about the beet farm
Yeah.
and the attic. The attic kind of made it really funny.
Yeah.
So, all right, we tried our best. That's our story. What was the first one? Maybe we make a separate.
First one was like, I don't even remember what that was.
Oh, what was that? Went to.
Oh right, it was like someone trying to donate blood.
Oh, let's do that, but we'll start that over again. We'll do the. And what's that character's name?